Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm really excited to introduce you to the brand new range of Panasonic Premium Design Cordless Phones. Here we have the simple and stylish PRS 120. It features diamond cut keys, a large colour screen and a host of useful features like a baby monitor and an advanced answering machine. Moving up the range a little is the glamorous PRW 120. In addition to boasting all the features of the previous model, this phone broadens your communication options with ultra-modern smartphone connectivity, allowing you to take and make calls on your smartphone or tablet using your landline connection. And speaking of smartphones, the next model in the new range, the PRX 120, combines the functionality of a smartphone with the convenience of a landline all in one very stylish package. Thanks to the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth interface on the handset, you can browse the web, send an email, post to your social networking site, and even share schedules with the Google Calendar, all from your landline phone. And of course, I have saved the best for last. The PRX 150 is the ultimate two-in-one device. It's a cordless phone at home and a mobile smartphone when you walk out the door. It's everything the previous model has to offer and a whole lot more. It's 3G mobile compatible with a SIM card slot and even features a micro SD card slot to increase storage capacity. The latest range of Panasonic Premium Design Cordless Phones really are shaping new conversations.